Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is an advanced suite of active safety and convenience features that has undergone several enhancements since its introduction in 2016, and Road Sign Assist is among its key features. This video will provide a quick overview of how to adjust its various settings through the Settings menu in the multi-information display. Road Sign Assist, or RSA, is designed to detect speed limit, stop, do not enter, yield signs, and certain warning signs, and then display them on the MID. The driver has the option to turn the system off or on from the Settings menu by selecting RSA and pressing OK. For additional RSA settings, select RSA from the Settings menu, then press and hold OK. From this list, the driver can adjust notification methods and levels. Notification methods for excess speed and others can be set to visual, audible, or both. Notification levels for excess speed can be set to 1, 3, or 5 miles per hour. That's a quick overview of how to adjust the various settings for Toyota Safety Sense's Road Sign Assist. Each Toyota vehicle may differ slightly, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific system information. To learn more about Toyota Safety Sense, be sure to visit toyota.com/safetysense.